Did you know that virtually every homeowner in your area can make over $40,000 a year and not even leave their house? I'm not talking about doing online work or doing weird pixel art or anything like that. No, I'm talking about old school granny flats, also known as an ADU. So what's new? Well, in the past, it's been a challenge to build an ADU in your house, but as a result of recent legislative changes, you can now build not only one, but two ADUs on your property, and your city or HOA can't do a thing about it. In fact, over 100,000 homeowners are already doing so right now. And as you know, rent is steadily increasing every year. A small one-bedroom apartment in your area is renting on average for $2,100 a month. So you do the math. So if you want to learn more on how you can build an ADU in your house and make over $40,000 in passive income, you can join our program for free by clicking on the link below. You'll be glad you did.